Okay, so let's try this new setup. Here I have the Pentel GraphGear 500 with a 0.5mm LED, and I think I have a 3B loaded into it. So let's go with my classic Dragon, and we'll see how well this. Well, it's a soft LED, so you can get a really nice dark light from the get-go with a really minimal pressure. It does wear down rather quickly, as you can see, so you have to constantly keep pushing it down, and look at it, will go all the way down. See that out. I wonder how well the sound is getting captured with the camera being so high above me, but we'll see. If this works, then we can do a couple of videos with the watercolors. It's already worn down to the knob. So that's what I don't tend to work with soft LEDs on my narrow mechanical pencils, but teeth, let's see, fire, quick signature, and let's see, how long was this? About a minute and a half.